If the mushroom porn is ever invented, be sure it comes from Latvia. This is just awesome, okay? And everything else is awesome in the forest still in the August. See, there's even still blueberries going on right here, okay? So it's crazy. Why is this here? Because Latvian never, ever discloses his mushroom places, okay? So don't even ask a Latvian for where does he get his mushrooms. Because you can ask a Latvian how big his salary is, we don't care, it's still never enough. Calm down. The mushroom places, you just don't ask a Latvian about his mushroom places, okay? Okay? Happy mushroom season.